What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to uninstall Valorant in Windows 11. Before you want to go ahead and make the uninstall successful, go ahead to the bottom right of your taskbar, click on the drop down option, and then make sure that the game has been closed from the taskbar and that there isn't any processes running right here. Then go over to your search, go to settings, open settings, and then you're going to select apps here, and then on this list of options here, you're going to click on installed apps. Then you're going to search for Valorant or scroll down to where you have V because this is by default alphabetically sorted. When you find Valorant, you're going to click on the three dots here, which signifies more options, and you're going to click uninstall. When you click on uninstall, you're going to be asked for a confirmation where you'll need to click on uninstall once again. After that's done, one more thing you could do is to go over to your desktop and on your keyboard, click on Windows R. And right here, you're going to type in percentage, local app data, percentage, and press OK. This will bring up this folder and you're going to look for any file folder which is related to Valorant. When you find it, right click on it and click on delete to delete Valorant folders. And having done this, you will be successful in uninstalling Valorant on Windows 11. If you found this helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.